Sports card collectors and baseball enthusiasts, today we're going to open a pack of 1990 Topps Wax Pack baseball cards. Junk wax era, baby. Here we go, looking for Frank Thomas, no name, rookie card. And we start off with Pete Incavilla. Nolan Ryan, 5,000 K card, sweet insert card. Kurt Wilkerson, Bob Welch, great pitcher for the A's. Mark Portugal, Dennis Cook, Wickander, Luis Rivera has the gum. Rafael Belliard, Tim Wallach, Greg Maddux, really good looking card there. Gary Thurman, Greg Briley, and Jeff Hamilton. No, Frank.